We are pleased to show you the 2023 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic roof, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rear fog light, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.